Families of the 27 campers and counselors who died in devastating floods at Camp Mystic last summer were back in a Travis County courtroom today.
A judge is hearing more evidence and testimony about what happened at the camp in the early morning hours of July 4th. Our Daniel Perot is following the hearing and is live at the courthouse with the very latest. Daniel.
This is tied to the lawsuit filed by the family of Seal Stewart. She is the missing Camp Mystic camper from the Austin area whose body has never been found. Last month, they had a hearing and the judge issued a temporary injunction which prevented Camp Mystic from using anything on the Guadalupe River site that they have, only allowing them to use the Cypress Lake site. But lawyers for Camp Mystic have appealed, saying that it was a flawed ruling and saying that it harmed Camp Mystic and its ability to continue to be in business and open for this summer. That sets the stage for where we are today and why we were back here today. On the stand once again was Edward Eastland. He is the son of the camp's former director, Dick Eastland, who died in the flooding. He was on the stand when the last hearing ended, so it really picked up right where it left off. Edward testified that Camp Mystic did not get warnings in the days leading up to the July 4th flood about possible flooding, even though the Texas Department of Emergency Management and the National Weather Service both sent out notices about the possibility of heavy rain and flooding in the Camp Mystic area. He said that Camp Mystic leaders did not have any meetings to discuss the impending weather forecast or warnings. Brad Beckworth, an attorney for the Stewart family, questioned Eastland about why camp leaders were not more prepared for the disaster.
Between 2:26 and 10 p.m. on July 3rd, did Camp Mystic take any steps to prepare for this potential flooding and flash flood? Yes or no?
I mean, that's hard to, we did not expect what was going to happen. No, sir.
Separate from this hearing, Camp Mystic has applied for a state license to reopen this summer. Organizers say they plan to only open the Cypress Lake side of the camp, which is not where the 27 campers and counselors were swept away. The Department of State Health Services says that it has received hundreds of complaints about Camp Mystic stemming from the flooding, and it's now asked the Texas Rangers to help in that investigation. This hearing could last up to 3 days. We expect that other members of the Eastland family could be called to testify as well. This is one of 5 lawsuits filed against Camp Mystic by families of those who lost loved ones in the July 4th flooding. Live in downtown Austin, Daniel Perot, KVUE News.